Good morning or afternoon or evening, as we now have viewers dialed in from all over the world, anxiously awaiting the results of the 2020 HRO Today Baker's Dozen Customer Satisfaction Ratings for Pre-Employment Screening Services. Today, HRO Today has screened the screeners to find out which are the best. I'm Elliot Clark, the CEO of HRO Today magazine and Shared Expertise. We publish HRO Today magazine, organize the HRO Today forums held around the world, and manage the HRO Today Association. Pre-employment screening is a global industry, and this survey a global undertaking. I'd like to thank the nearly 1,200 survey respondents who took time from their busy schedules to provide this valuable feedback. The feedback helps your fellow HR executives in their RFP processes. So thank you. This is by far the largest and most prestigious survey in pre-employment screening services. It is completely based on customer feedback and quantitative rankings. See the October issue of HRO Today for a complete disclosure of the survey process. I'd like to thank the sponsors of this video presentation, but not the survey itself. ESR is a global firm providing on-demand access to background screening, substance abuse testing, and occupational health screening services. ESR believes companies deserve a background screening partner that consistently delivers fast, accurate, affordable, and compliant information through an innovative solution that supports compliance with ever-changing laws. People matter. Make good choices. Enabled by technology, grounded in compliance, and accelerated by best-in-class customer support, Global HR Research's pre-hiring intelligence and screening solutions help clients make better hiring decisions faster and with greater accuracy. Their comprehensive suite of background screening, compliance, and occupational health solutions include domestic and international criminal background checks, fingerprinting verifications, sanctions, and MVR monitoring services. With compliance at its core, only GHRR delivers a simpler, more efficient, more modern screening experience for all. Universal Background Screening provides comprehensive background screening, drug testing, and OcuHealth services for organizations of all sizes, with a commitment to personalized, responsive services and accuracy in the information they provide. As an NAPBS accredited screening firm with a focus on compliance, Universal makes the background screening process easier and ensures clients know everything they need to know about the people they hire. Universal is HRXML certified and pre-integrated with many leading applicant tracking and HR software systems, setting up more than 3,000 seamless customer integrations. At any time, Universal would enjoy providing you a demo of their screening services. You'll find the best companies advertised in HRO Today, HRO Today EMEA, and HRO Today APAC. Here you see a small sample of the pre-employment screening community. Our latest reader survey found that 83% of our readers report titles of director or above. On average, they work at companies with $9 billion in revenue. When it comes to the Baker's Dozen, 82% say a ranking has influenced their decision. Our global print and digital circulation is nearly 220,000 senior executives, and we reach the senior HR suite. Contact Gail Tedeschi at Shared Expertise for more information at +1 215 606 9553 or make an inquiry through www.hrotoday.com. Due to the global pandemic, the HR Today Forum will be held virtually with a dynamic, proven technology platform and partner. The event is being hosted December 1st and 2nd, featuring a virtual town hall with Dr. Peter Capelli, Director of the Center for Human Resources of the Wharton School, an interactive Chief HR Officer panel, our annual Talent Acquisition Leaders of the Year Award, and more. All the best proactive and practice sharing and networking that you've come to expect and love about the HR Today Forum will be available from the comfort of your own home or office. See www.hrtodayforum.com for more info. The HRO Today Association is a membership channel and community dedicated to professional development. The annual association conference, November 17th, is a half-day HR retreat that brings association members together to learn from each other and to network. See www.hrotoday.com/association for more information. In the next few minutes, we're going to cover a lot of data quickly. There's even more summary data in the October issue of HRO Today. But for a comparison of each provider in our survey, we have our detailed research reports. They give a question-by-question analysis based on customer feedback. For more information, contact Gail Tedeschi at Shared Expertise or at gail.tedeschi@sharedexpertise.com. Let's talk about the survey. The instrument has 40 questions, some with multiple selections. It measures providers in 3 dimensions: breadth of service, or how many sub-processes they provide, size of deal, and quality of service. We do not reveal weightings of questions or dimensions, but quality of service is most important, followed by breadth of service. Size of deal is a factor in complexity and important in picking vendors. It's the least impactful on our ratings, meaning that for companies just doing big programs, that doesn't mean they're a better provider. They must do those big programs well. The survey weighting favors programs that are multi-year and more complex. In 2020, companies needed 13 surveys from 10 different clients to qualify. We verify through a variety of techniques. Verification emails are sent to all respondents. Only corporate emails are honored, so Gmail or Yahoo emails cannot be used by clients for the survey. We also do IP tracing to the corporate servers. The only influence that HRO Today magazine has on the outcome of this survey is that we discard incomplete surveys or surveys outside the normal distribution. This means surveys that are so perfect as to be impossible or so bad as to be vengeful. They are not accurate feedback. Otherwise, we have no impact on the survey outcome. We distributed the link to 62 providers into our own list of nearly 1,400 background screening customers. We ranked 23 on the enterprise and mid-sized program lists. We received more than 1,200 surveys and verified nearly 800 from over 550 client companies. This is by far the largest customer satisfaction study for pre-employment screening found in the HR trade media. Any ranked company is an excellent choice depending on your specific needs. This year, we distinguished the enterprise and mid-sized program lists by provider overall score. The top 13 highest are considered enterprise providers, while the next group of 10 is categorized as mid-size program providers. First, I will reveal the top providers of mid-size pre-employment screening service programs. Number 1, Intellicorp. Number 2, DataFax. Number 3, Edge Information Management. Number 4, A-Check Global. Number 5, Backgrounds Online. Number 6, InCheck. Number 7, Verified First. Number 8, Validity Screening Solutions. Number 9, Corporate Screening Services, Inc. And number 10, Decisive. Congratulations to Intellicorp for taking top honors in mid-size program list for pre-employment screening. Next, we look at the enterprise list for pre-employment screening, starting with breadth of service leaders. In the breadth of service dimension, the rankings are thus. Number 1, HireRate. Number 2, People Trail. Number 3, First Advantage. Number 4, MBI Worldwide. Number 5, Global HR Research. Number 6, Assurant. Number 7, CrimCheck. Number 8, Employment Background Investigations, or EBI. Number 9, InfoCubic. Number 10, Employment Screening Resources, or ESR. Number 11, Universal Background Screening. Number 12, Employment Screening Services, LLC. And number 13, CNET Technologies. We congratulate HireRate for leading the market in breadth of service. The next dimension is size of deal. We have HireRate at number 1. Number 2, Employment Background Investigations, Inc., or EBI. Number 3, First Advantage. Number 4, Assurant. Number 5, Global HR Research. Number 6, Employment Screening Services, LLC, or ESS. Number 7, People Trail. Number 8, CrimCheck. Number 9, MBI Worldwide. Number 10, Employment Screening Resources, or ESR. Number 11, InfoCubic, LLC. Number 12, CNET Technology. And number 13, Universal Background Screening. We congratulate HireRate for leading the market on size of deal. The next dimension is the most important and the one practitioners focused on most closely. Here are the top providers ranked by quality of service. Number 1, Employment Screening Resources, ESR. Number 2, Universal Background Screening. Number 3, Employment Screening Services, ESS. Number 4, First Advantage. Number 5, Employment Background Investigations, or EBI. Number 6, InfoCubic, LLC. Number 7, Global HR Research. Number 8, MBI Worldwide. Number 9, Assurant. Number 10, People Trail. Number 11, CNET Technologies. Number 12, HireRate. And number 13, CrimCheck. Employment Screening Resources leads the all-important quality of service ranking. Congratulations to ESR for providing great service to their customers. Now the moment you've been waiting for. The 2020 Enterprise Pre-Employment Screening Baker's Dozen leaders are, in reverse order, number 13, CrimCheck. Number 12, CNET Technologies. Number 11, InfoCubic, LLC. Number 10, Assurant. Number 9, People Trail. Number 8, MBI Worldwide. Number 7, Global HR Research. Number 6, Employment Background Investigations, Inc., or EBI. And now the top 5. Number 5, HireRate. Number 4, Employment Screening Services, or ESS. Number 3, Universal Background Screening. Number 2, First Advantage. And number 1, Employment Screening Resources. Congratulations to Employment Screening Resources, or ESR, on an excellent survey year. The competition on this list and in the market is fiercer than ever before. The gap from 1st to 13th place has now narrowed to 4.8% of the overall score. This demonstrates that these are all great companies and great choices, depending on the size of your needs and the services that you require. Thanks again to our sponsor of this video presentation, but not the survey itself. Our sponsors are Global HR Research, Universal Background Screening, and ESR. And thank you to those practitioners who took the survey and for your attention to this broadcast. And good luck to you with your 2021 RFP season.